So
All
what
right, so
happened
if
with Facebook today, man?
yeah, so let's go over Facebook. Facebook is pretty fascinating. So Glenn and I have been talking about the last few weeks how we're kind of seeing a change in momentum from bulls to bears, at least in a small sense. So beginning around September 20th, September 21st, we started kind of seeing these signs of the bearish market coming to play. And then, over the following days, it still was bearish. It had its bull days, couple bull days, and then continued to drop. And then finally on October 4th, which is today, we had this whole Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, social media blackout, right? And in one day, it dropped 5%. And now a lot of people and just a lot of people and institutions will say 5% is not much. But if we actually look back and we measure this here, this is actually turns out to be since the 21st about a 10% move, little over 10% move total in the
Yeah.
last few weeks. Now that's not that again, it's really minor compared to the whole big thing, but we could be seeing continuations. It could also totally reject this EMA and continue forward. And my EMA is just one type of indicator. Again, there's millions. It's fascinating to Glenn and I were just discussing how our technicals showed this drop, this bearish momentum coming in
Weeks ago.
before any outage, before any fundamentals happen. And that's why we kind of emphasize, and that's why Glenn and I are technical traders, because we could almost capture before majority starts coming into the market. And I think it's just a testament to technical trading and why we appreciate it so much. Nothing wrong with fundamentals. I mean, I'm sure people made millions today off of this short here, but it's just the way Glenn and I trades. We could almost see things. You can't predict it. We'll never be able to predict the market, but we could almost identify things, and we have that edge through technicals.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
So yeah.
And we're not saying we have the crystal ball, but we did see the
Oh,
direction of price action. Keyword price action was
yeah.
forming a bear direction. So,
Yep.
yeah, it's crazy how it played out. We'll see. We'll see what's to come. Who knows? We might have another blackout tomorrow. I don't know, man.
You never know,
You never
because it
know,
looks like we're in
guys.
this bearish trend right now, dude. It's falling bearish run at least.
We might need to whip out the old walkie-talkies and radios, hand cranks.
Pigeon carrier, carrier pigeon. I mean.
Carrier pigeon.
But
Yes.
all
Yes.
right, I hope you guys
So
took some value on that, and at least makes you more curious on why technical trading is a little bit more edgy.
edgy, edgy, yes.
Edgy.
I don't know if you guys were affected earlier this morning with Facebook, Instagram being down, and if you look at the stock, it took a 5% dip, and so